it going, everyone? So today I received my mountain hatch for the Tundra and I'm pretty pumped. Love the idea of having a food grade cutting surface as a tailgate. Even back when I owned my 5th gen 4Runner, I wanted one. So I went ahead and bought just the basic cutting board that they sold just to support them, because they did come up with a pretty cool idea. But now that I have a 2019 Tundra, I decided to pick one up for myself. So to install this is pretty easy. You're going to locate 8 T30 bolts. I'm using this impact, which is a bit overkill, but it made the job a lot easier. Mountain Hatch does supply you with the hardware you need to get this bolted on. You'll also need a 11mm socket. I'm using this power ratchet to make things easier again. But if you're using power tools, make sure you're mindful of how tight you're going, because you don't want to damage your mountain hatch since it is plastic and you can over torque them. And that's it. Pretty quick install for something that's going to be very useful while I'm out camping. Also, I will be giving away this cutting board to one lucky person. I actually own one already and won't be using this one. So if you're interested in winning this, go ahead and check down below. I'll put the rules down there. Also, if you're interested in checking out Mountain Hatch's other products, I'll go ahead and link them down below too. And thank you guys for watching.